So everybody, we live in the distracted era in human history. Okay, dopamine hits from every swab, every scroll. If you don't learn to control yourself now, you will be so much distracted. Okay, the world will control you. The other people will control you. Okay, let me show you how to flip that out. Okay, the top 5 tips that will prevent you being distracted in this era. Okay, top 5 tips to control yourself in this era. Number one is master your mind through daily silence. Wake up, never talk, never argue with people. Wake up and do silence. 5, 10, 1 hour, 2 hour, as much as possible. Stay in one place and dedicate it in there couple of minutes in silence. Okay, you train your brain to stop craving noise. You begin your day with clarity and control. Silence is where the strongest men are fought. Okay, so number two is cut dopamine junk. Porn, sugar, endless scrolling TikTok. Okay, sugar, porn, and endless scrolling. Okay, cut them out. If you don't control your dopamine, it controls you. Quit porn and overuse of social media. Replace scrolling with reading, journaling, or working on your goals. And control what you consume. Equal control who you become. Discipline is not about restriction, it is about liberation. You know, I'm feeling so much resistance couple of days. So I got this topic and I curated agree about that. I'm hoping you will get something from this video. I'm saying this world is extremely difficult, and if you cannot control yourself, the world will control you, and that is the most destructive thing I have ever got. And number three is build non-negotiable habits. I got a couple of lists in here. Build non-negotiable habits. Morning walk, cold shower, 1 hour work block. Choose 2 to 3 habits that are non-negotiable. They become anchors when keywords hits. In a world of keywords, habits are armor. Limit your circle. Guard your energy. Don't hang with people who normalize laziness, gossip, or wasting time. Cut them out. Fuck them out. Don't talk with them, don't mix with them. Totally cut them. Find a brotherhood or mastermind. If it is online, doesn't matter, because you can find there's a lot of strongest men in this planet in online. You can find them and you can join the same group as you did. Stay around those who sharpen you. Your mind must be sharpened. Okay, your circle either your prison to your power. Okay, so this 5, know your mission. Number 5, know your mission, burn with purpose. Why you are here, why you are here in this planet. Being pledging, building something, helping other, building legacy. Which one? Building legacy, building something. While you are walking in the street, you see the tons of longest building. Who does build those? Weakest man? Do you think those build weakest man? No, it's build the strongest and most capable men, those who have control over themselves. Okay, so no matter what happens, control yourselves as much as possible. Okay, and control is the new superpower. If you want more video like this, you can definitely do comment about it. Okay, if you are distracted so much about social media or anything like that, or you're feeling the same kind of thing that video is related to, or you want to others video about it, you can definitely do comment.